Hey guys, today we are going to solve the sum of all angles of a star. So for that we need a diagram and two properties of a triangle. Sum of all angles equals to 180 degree and exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. As we know that angle 1 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degree. So from angle 6 we are getting the sum of angles 4 and 2, and from 7 we are getting the sum of angles 5 and 3. So angles 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. So sum of all angles of a star is equals to 180 degree. Thank you.